Simone Biles stood in the dimly lit arena, her heart pounding in her ears. The crowd was a sea of faces, all looking at her with a blend of anticipation and adulation. She had been away from the spotlight, taking a much-needed break to focus on her mental health. Now, as she prepared to compete in the Artistic Gymnastics Team Final for the 2024 Olympics, the world was watching to see if she still had the magic that had made her a legend. Her teammates, a mix of seasoned athletes and fresh faces, looked at her with palpable respect. They had trained relentlessly, knowing that the success of their journey hinged not just on individual brilliance but on collective synergy. Simone's return had added an electrifying aura to the team, but it also came with immense pressure. Would she be able to perform as the world expected? As she warmed up, old doubts began to creep in her mind. What if she faltered? What if she let her team down? But then she saw her reflection in the polished floor, and in that moment, she was reminded of who she was: a fighter, a champion, and above all, an artist of the sport. It wasn't just about the medals or the records, it was about expressing herself with every leap, twist, and landing. Simone took a deep breath and stepped onto the mat. The routine was a perfect blend of grace and power, precision and fluidity. Every move was executed with the kind of finesse that only someone of her caliber could muster. The crowd watched in stunned silence, momentarily forgetting to breathe as she soared through the air. When she finally landed her dismount, the arena erupted in applause. She had done it. Her teammates rushed to embrace her, and in that moment, Simone realized something profound. This was not just her victory, it was their victory. They had supported each other, believed in each other, and now, they were reaping the rewards together. Simone Biles had not just made a comeback, she had led her team to a moment of triumph, proving once again why she was a true icon of the sport. As the team stood on the podium, draped in their medals, the world saw not just a group of athletes, but a testament to resilience, unity, and the unbreakable human spirit.